Here's how to upload your React app as a static website. No backend, simple, easy, quick. So I'll be using Hostinger, but you can use another hosting platform. So first, we go to VS Code. Okay, VS Code. We run npm. But first, before we run, make sure that your build is like this at fight.config.ts. Okay, be making sure that it's outside this folder, this client folder. Okay, that's for later in the video if you want to, you know, use GitHub and stuff. But for now, you can leave it like this. You can run npm run build, but I'm gonna be using one run build. And boom, it's done. Then you go to the folder where it is. So yeah, copy this. Let's go here. Let's open the file manager. Make sure that you're in public underscore HTML and make sure that everything here it's empty. Everything empty. You take this, copy it. No, not like that, like this. Yeah. Wait for it and boom. Check if your website is there. And bada boom, bada bang, it works. Okay. Now for the get section of the video. This is the get section. You copy everything here. Copy. Let me copy. You remove it. Make sure you remove this. Remove. Then you go back to the dashboard. Only if your hosting platform has the get thing. Hostinger has it. I'm not sure of other ones. So first you get your SSH if you're gonna use private get repositories. Okay. You go to your GitHub. Come here. Go to settings. Go to SSH. You put your SSH here. And then you come here. Then you add your repository here. Since I'm using a private repository, I'm gonna use this thing, this part here. Right here, username, and then the repo name. Dot get. Don't forget this. Crucial. And make sure that your branch is the same as this branch. You see, main. And firstly, before we create, make sure it's empty here. Also won't work. So then we click create. And boom. The website works. Let's refresh this. Boom. It's there. So you don't need to stress about deleting everything and then putting it back. You can just do it locally from your laptop and you're good. You Gucci. See? Let's test if it works. See? It works perfectly. And that's it. And if you want to add a webhook, you can click on this auto deployment copy this, go to your repo, go to settings, go to webhooks, and then you just add your webhook. Like simple, just copy that and paste it in there. Like that. Okay, but let me show you how to do it. Let me just do this authentication quickly. And yeah, I just posted add webhook. Simple. So now it does it automatically. You don't need to come here and post. You just push it to your repo and then it automatically updates it. So yeah. And that's it, man. That's the end of the video.